gentlemen, this is an exceptional pleasure for me today to welcome a real friend with whom I used to work a long time together here in the European Parliament.
Kien b'dan il-mod li l-President tal-Parlament Ewropew Martin Schulz laqa lill-Prim Ministru Malti Dr. Joseph Muscat fi Brussell ftit sigħat biss qabel beda jitlaqqa is-Summit Ewropew. Joseph Muscat wasal fil-Parlament Ewropew il-ħamis f'nofsinhar fejn ingħata merħba partikolari mill-President tal-Parlament Ewropew.
So look, the new Prime Minister.
Il-Prim Ministru Malti kellu laqa ta' sija ma' Martin Schulz li matula ġiet diskussa fost oħrajn is-sitwazzjoni ta' Malta wara li l-poplu ta' mandat lil Gvern ġdid biex imexxih għal 5 snin li ġejjin. Waqt konferenza tal-ahbarijiet wara din il-laqa, Martin Schulz irmarka kif Joseph Muscat trasforma ruħu minn membru parlamentari Ewropew għal membru parlamentari Malti għat-tmexxija tal-Gvern u issa l-Kunsill Ewropew fejn jattendu l-Prim Ministri kollha tal-Istati membri. Dan huwa żvilupp mill-isbaħ ta' karriera politika Ewropea, tenna l-President tal-Parlament Ewropew.
Prime Minister, with your experience as a European parliamentarian, with the European institutions, with the traditions in Europe, with your experience you took from here to Malta, and with your national experience you can bring back here, I think that you are somebody who will contribute a lot for a better understanding also between the institutions. I'm looking forward, Prime Minister, to a very fruitful cooperation on the basis of our long-lasting friendship and mutual trust.
Il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat qal li gvern ġdid se jkun gvern b'saħħtu Ewropew bi 3 esponenti li ħadmu għal snin fil-Parlament Ewropew. U bħala Prim Ministru, il-Vici Prim Ministru Louis Grech bħala Ministru għall-Affarijiet Ewropej u l-Professur Edward Cicluna bħala Ministru tal-Finanzi.
This government is staunchly pro-European. So we are devoted to being good Europeans. Good Europeans means, as you quite well taught me during our experience together, does not mean saying yes to everything. It means speaking out your mind, saying exactly what you think, respecting others and earning the respect of others. And that's what the mission statement of a new government when it comes to our relations.
Għalli fil-qasam Ewropew se jżomm kontinwità mal-ħidma ta' gvern preċedenti, iżda se jkun hemm ukoll tibdiliet.
One of the obvious changes is that our outlook is progressive and we want a more social Europe. We also want Europe to focus on growth, and we think that growth and good governance of public finances can go hand in hand together.
Se nkunu gvern onest mal-Unjoni Ewropea għal Joseph Muscat li lest jaqgħad flimkien idejat differenti fl-istituzzjonijiet.
From the new government, Mr. President, you can expect a honest broker with the European Parliament, of people who understand how your institution works, who respect your institution, and a government that will seek to work actively to draw a balance within Council on bringing the differing views of the institutions together.
Dan il-bilanċ jista' jintlaħaq fost oħrajn fil-kontroversja dwar il-Baġit Ewropew li jinkludi l-1.2 biljun euro għal Malta u li ġie rifjutat mill-Parlament Ewropew għaliex il-Kunsill Ewropew approva programm b'deficit ta' 52 biljun euro bejn id-dħul u l-ħruġ.
And the European Parliament therefore urged the member states to balance the deficit. This is our precondition. When the member states fill the gap, which is, by the way, necessary, because if we continue with the gap, we will put in force the 1st of January 2014 a multi-annual financial framework based on wrong figures.
There can be a balance that can be struck. Obviously, we will defend, as is my duty, our turf as a national government on the financial package that has been allocated to our country. While doing that and while sticking very, very hard for our national interest, I believe that our national interest is also the European interest, and we do believe that a balance can be struck.
Joseph Muscat qal li mhux qed jara sitwazzjoni fejn il-budget allokat għal Malta jista' jitpoġġa f'riskju.
Don't envisage a situation where the Maltese allocation for the new MFF can be jeopardized. We will be very careful about that. Our aim, will be during the next few weeks of negotiations, where we will not simply adopt a passive approach, but we will try, because of the new government's understanding of the different institutions, we will take a more balanced approach to try to see that the differences are bridged